Good morning, students. So today I am going to teach you poem My Mother at 66, which is written by Kamla Das. In this poem, in the opening lines of this poem, the poet describes that it was the time of morning and it was Friday, and the poet was driving to the Cochin airport. Her mother, she was of 66 years old and she was sitting beside her. The poet turned to look at her mother. She saw that the mother looked as pale as death. So when the poet looked at her mother, she saw what she saw. She saw that her mother was looking as pale as death. A sad thought came into the poet's mind. So the poet's heart was filled with sadness, and sad thoughts came to his mind. Came to her mind, but she soon drove this thought away and started looking at the trees that seemed to be running fast. As she then started looking at the trees, then these sad thoughts started removing from her mind. She saw children running out of their homes in joy. What she observed, that the children, they were running out of their homes in joy. And after reaching the airport, the poet went through the security check. Standing a few yards away, she again looked at her mother. So when the poet reached airport, she went through the security check. So standing at few yards away, what she observed, what she looked, when she looked at her mother, and the mother's face was pale and weak. But the poet said nothing but this: Amma, see you soon. Then smiled and smiled and smiled. That was all she did. So when they reached airport, after passing through the security check, she looked at her mother, and her mother's face was pale and weak. And the poet said nothing but said to her mother that Amma, see you soon. And then she smiled and smiled, and that was the end of this poem. So let me discuss this poem in detail. So in this poem, the poet relates a personal experience. Through it, she brings out a common paradox of human relationships. So this is a poem which tells us about her personal experience. Though she brings out a common paradox of human relationship. Though this is we all people are having some kind of experiences. So this experience which the poet has expressed in this poem is a very common experience. All kids are attached with their mother. Likewise, this poet is also attached with her mother very much. Sometimes we do feel sympathy for someone, but we fail to express it in proper manner. Sometimes we have sympathy for someone who is very near and dear to us, but sometimes we are not able to express our feelings in a proper manner. So the poet expresses that it was the day of Friday, and it was the time of morning time, and while driving the poet was driving from her parents' home to Cochin airport. So her mother was sitting beside her in the car, and the poet was then the mother was of 66 years in age, and while going, the poet turned to look at her mother. So while the poet was going, she looked at her mother. She found when she looked at her mother. She found that the mother was dozing and her mouth was open. Her face was as pale as that of a dead person. So when she looked at her mother's face, it was completely pale, and it was as pale as death. So as the face of a dead person. The poet painfully realized that her mother was not going to live long. So as the age of mother was 66 and she was approaching old age, and the poet was very pained to see the condition of her mother, that she is not going to live long. But soon she drove this painful thought away from her mind when she started looking at trees on the roadside that seemed to be running fast. As she was moving, she looked she looked outside and she looked at trees, and soon that those feelings of sadness were removed from her mind. And when she looked at children, they were running out from their homes and they were in joyous state. After reaching the airport, the poet went through the security check. So after crossing through the airport, when the poet went through the security check, her mother was standing outside a few yards away. So her mother was standing at a distance. After the security check, the poet again looked at her mother from that distance, and what he found, that mother's face was again pale and white. It was as pale as the face of the moon in late winter. So as face of mother is compared with the face of moon in late winter, so the poet felt an old familiar ache in her body. So the same ache, same pain the poet felt in her body, it was like that she used to feel in her childhood. So it was same ache same pain which she used to feel in her childhood when some fear overpowered her. When she was in childhood, when she was in her childhood, that time if any kind of fear overpowered her, she used to feel some kind of pain. Same pain she felt now. Yet she spoke no word to her mother. All that she said was, "See you soon, Amma." The only thing the poet did was smile, smile and smile. The only thing what the poet did was only he kept smiling when he looked at her mother. So students, ये एक पोएम, ऐसी पोएम है जिसके अंदर एक रिलेशनशिप शो किया गया है एक बच्चे का अपनी माँ के साथ, कि जैसे ही वो बच्चा अपनी माँ की बढ़ती हुई उम्र देखता है कि जैसे मदर जो है वो 66 ईयर्स की हो चुकी है, तो बच्चा उसके फेस को जब देखता है तो उसे ऐसे लगता है, एक डर सा उसके मन में आ जाता है कि वो डर क्या है। वो बच्चे के मन में डर आता है, जैसे जैसे माँ की उम्र बढ़ती देख रहा है, माँ के चेहरे पर वो ओल्ड एज नज़र आने लगती है, वो टाइम नज़र आने लगता है कि जैसे माँ जो है वो ज़्यादा दिन जीने वाली नहीं है, उसका टाइम आगे आ रहा है, उसकी जाने का टाइम आ रहा है, उसका फेस जो है वो पीला पड़ रहा है। और मदर जो है वो उस बच्चे के मन में अपनी माँ के प्रति जो प्यार है और उसे जो खो देने के जो रिलेशनशिप्स हैं, और बच्चा जो है इस एज में इस टाइम अपनी माँ के लिए सैड फील करता है कि कैसे उसकी माँ जो है उसे छोड़ जाएगी। शायद वो बहुत कम समय रह गया है, लेकिन बच्चा जो है अपने इस प्यार को, अपनी इन फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहा है, उस डर को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहा है अपनी माँ के सामने, कि उसे खो देने का डर उसे लग रहा है एक बच्चे को अपनी माँ को देख के। तो यही जो है इसके अंदर पोइट का जो अपनी मदर को इस 66 ईयर्स की एज में देखकर, उसे उसके फेस को देखकर उसे लगता है कि अब उसका फेस जो है वो एज पेल एज डेथ, इस तरह से इतना पेल हो चुका है और अब वो जो है बहुत कम समय जीने वाली है। और उसके मन में जो डर आ रहा है कि वो माँ जो है उसे छोड़ के चली जाएगी, और वो डर अपनी माँ के सामने एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहा है। लेकिन जैसे ही वो बाहर ट्रीज़ की तरफ देखता है, बच्चों को घर से बाहर आते हुए देखती है, तो उसके माइंड से ये जो है डर, जो उसकी सैड फीलिंग्स है वो हैप्पीनेस में कन्वर्ट हो जाती हैं। और एंड में जो है पोएम के अंदर बच्चा जो है जब एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंचता है, सिक्योरिटी चेक को क्रॉस करते हैं, तो उसकी माँ जो उससे कुछ दूरी पर खड़ी है और बच्चा जो है, पोइट जो है अपनी मदर की तरफ देख रही है और ये देख रही है, ये नोटिस कर रही है कि उसकी मदर का फेस जो है वो काफ़ी पेल हो चुका है। और उसके मन में एक डर सा आ रहा है, ऐसा डर जो उसे बचपन में डर फील होता था, जबकि उसे उसकी कोई चीज़ खो जाती थी या उसके मन में कोई ऐसी बात आ जाती थी जिससे कि उसके मन में कोई ऐसा डर आ जाता था। अब वैसा ही डर उसकी बॉडी में अब उसे फील हो रहा है, उसे वैसी ही पेन फील हो रही है, लेकिन वो अपनी मदर से कुछ नहीं कहती है इन द एंड ऑफ द पोएम, सिर्फ स्माइल देती है और अपनी मदर की तरफ देख के स्माइल करती जाती है और कहती है सी यू अम्मा सून, सी यू अम्मा, सी यू अम्मा। सो लेट अस रीड this poem from textbook also. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doors open mouth, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked. So while the poet was driving her home back in last Friday, she saw her mother. She was sitting beside her, and when she looked at her mother's face, it was completely pale, and this paleness, and as her mother has now attained age 66, and the fear which gripped her mind was that she will lose her mother, as she is now having 66 years, she is of 66 years in age, and fear of losing her gripped her mind, and she looked at her mother, and she was looking old, and then but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees printing, the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her. So when the poet's heart was filled with feelings of sadness, and she looked out of car and she looked at trees and the children, those who were coming out from their homes in a very joyous mood. The poet's heart was filled with joy. The poet's heart's sad feelings converted into joy, and that sadness removed from the heart of the poet, and the poet again looked at her mother, wan pale as late winter moon, and felt that old face familiar at my childhood fear. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. And when they reached airport, and after the security check, when the poet's mother was standing at a distance of few yards, and when she looked at her mother's face, again fear gripped her mind, and that was the same kind of pain in her body which she used to have in her childhood, and that pain is compared with the pain which she used to have in her childhood when some kind of fear overpowered her. So the poet's heart was again filled with sadness, again filled with pain, same kind of pain which she used to feel in her childhood when any kind of fear overpowered her. But as she looked at her mother, she just smiled and said, see you Amma, and just kept on smiling. But she was not able to express that fear to her mother, that she was not able to express her feelings to her mother. Her mind was just in that state that she will lose her mother, but she kept on smiling in front of her mother. She hides her feelings in front of her mother. At the end, she keep on smiling, and the poet ends this poem. So, concluding this poem, I would like to say that, students, this is a poem which is based on human relationships, that how we feel love for our mother and father, how kids they are attached to their mother and father, and when they feel when parents they attain old age, and children they when they feel the sense of losing them, they feel sad, but they are not able to express their feelings in front of their parents. So here is the end of this poem. So I hope students you understood this poem. So read this poem from your textbook and prepare question answers. Thanks and have a nice day.